everyone. Nowadays, from gay to gay, the people are very much addicted and promoting like liquors. All we know that liquor is one of the most harmful for our health. Also, it's very destructive for our families. It much affects our health, our in our families and in the whole societies. But why I don't understand why famous celebrities or songs and some YouTubers promoting liquors. I have no idea why they are promoting, but some are trying to help ever spread awareness that liquor or smoking is wrong. Some try to but no matter what, how much they try, still people don't care. They don't, people don't care much about liquor. Yes, I agree that some make it feels some one small amount of liquor is needed, but not that much is not necessary. Means seriously, means in simple words, everything has its good side and bad side, but people are using it as negative bad sides, negative sides. I don't know what to scale about it. I have no idea. Means seriously, in McGiffey's is okay. Some have good sides, but mostly have very much bad sides. But still, it's been promoting. Liquor has been promoting in much way because liquor have been pouring in much bigger amount than medicines. In हिंदी in मतलब जितना वो अल्कोहल लगता है उससे कई जगह अल्कोहल वो दारू के वो दुकानों में बिकता है, बार में बिकता है, कॉकटेल्स में बिकता है, इन सब जगह में बिकता है. जितना देना चाहिए कि उससे ज़्यादा होता है. मतलब इससे हमारा बॉडी में बहुत हम लंग्स में खराबी आती है, हर डिजीज आती है, ब्रेन प्रॉब्लम्स होता है, फिर स्टमक प्रॉब्लम्स होता है, फिर किडनी प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं और and many more problems happen. But still they're promoting like it's nothing just chill around and it's a common thing. The main reasons of this promoting liquor or this and that is only due to movies, some movie scenes in Hollywood, in Bollywood, or some in most of the songs. The liquor has been common, for which this promoting in much way and to learn having and society having a bad impact on it. Like chill out, have liquor, have alcohol in much way. In the beginning of the for drinking is just to help, but still they do promote means it is the biggest hypocrisy around the world. In one side, not to getting public and don't smoke or don't drink. On other side, you are saying you're doing this which is not to do, and we are which you try to spread awareness. Things which you are doing now. If anybody is listening to this, please don't have liquor or if someone or for depression, don't have it. But everything is good and bad side, as I said. So this is for good purposes, in medicine purpose or medicine purpose only this. But yes, but beyond that, don't do anything like having liquor or have liquor or make liquor shops for this, for depression, remove depression, or for poverty or this and that. This don't you have just for medicine purpose. Rest don't have it. Please, it's a request. Also, having a liquor is the biggest sin. We all know that having liquor is the biggest sin. And if someone is doing that, request, stop it. You can change your life. You're not only destroying your own life, also your family life, your father, mother, brother, sisters, or most of the words and slow says. So please don't try to mislead this society, these people. You can say that what are the good things about alcohol, and many much bad things are there. I agree with that. Also good things are there. I also agree with that. So only alcohol is only helpful for medicine purpose only. As you can see, this is the purpose of the alcohol in. Yes, some might have been confused by difference between liquor and alcohol. You can pause and see these articles. Like what is the difference between the liquor and alcohol? Please try to go protest and don't promote liquor and try to ban these liquor stores, but not the medicine that alcohol for which is used for medical purpose. Don't ban that one and don't protest for that. Only ban these intoxications, these liquor stores. Please try to ban these stores. So I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and don't promote liquor, okay, in musics or songs or movies, please.